Uh, and this video clip, snow is coming and the rainwater. It has been raining, and after the rain, the pups and Snowy, which is the mom, came out, and now she's feeling well in the water. And usually after the rain, so like the dogs and the pups feels fresh, and yeah, she's very happy. And because of the cooler temperature, oh, she is running so swift and making so naughty and gesture towards the owner and splashes the water, and she feels a kind of smell after the rain, and it makes her mood happy. Now she's playing with her pups, and she is very quick now, swept, and feeling very happy and pressing her pups to the ground. So it's a natural phenomena in the dogs, and usually it's like training them. And she's playing with pups, and maybe she teaching some discipline and showing her dominance. Look, she is again running and pressing them up, and it's kind of, yeah, teaching them a discipline, submission, showing her dominance. So usually it's in the dogs that they teach our pups that they remain in discipline and admit the dominance of her mom. So now she's waiting, looking to the water. It's a kind of change routine for them after the rain, that the dogs sometimes feel energetic or excited to go outside after the rain, and it's a kind of relief for them to release pressure and to come out of the static build up before a storm or rain. Once the rain ceases and everything calms, they may feel relief and show it with happy behavior. Now she sits and watching the rainwater that has been in front of her. Uh, so the other pups are also there, and they are now in the obedient manner. She's standing in the middle of water now, looking towards someone that may be coming towards her. So she is like looking in the water and gazing uh, to every side of the water. So she's standing there in the middle of water, uh, looking to things and